The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again, big up and respect to each and every one. Now in this video I'm going to present to you videos that are out on social media, and these videos are somewhat shocking. Now I'm going to tell you what had been said some places on social media about these videos. So therefore, I want you to please bear in mind that some of the things that have been said about these videos on social media might not be accurate and also might not be the truth, you see? Now, I'm presenting these videos to you because they are being talked about on social media, and you don't know me, Dancehall. I'm here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. I'm also presenting these videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos. You can also let me know what you think. You see me? You can let me know if it is true or not what had been said on social media about these videos and so on. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright. Now, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media, and according to what had been said about these pieces of videos on social media, it is said that these pieces of videos shows what happened at a night for a police officer who died within the country of Jamaica. Now viewers and subscribers, these pieces of videos are going to show many persons gathered together, and in these pieces of videos you're going to hear shots fired and you're going to see motorcycle stunts, you see me? Now I am going to present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, but before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe. Wow. All I can say about those pieces of videos is just wow, you see? Anyways, let me know what you think about those pieces of videos, and let me know if it is true or not, or if you believe it is true or not that these pieces of videos shows of a night for a police officer who died within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Let me know what you think. Alright, now I'm going to move on to more pieces of videos right about now, you see me? And I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media. And according to what had been said about these pieces of videos on social media, it is said that these pieces of videos shows a person who almost fell from a very large pipe that the person was walking on to cross a gully somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, to my understanding, what many persons call a gully is some very large openings that are miles long that collects wastewaters and rainwaters and bring it to the ocean. You understand? Yeah, from out of the cities to the ocean. Now, viewers and subscribers, more things have been said about these pieces of videos on social media. I'm just going to present these pieces of videos to you, and you can also let me know what you think about these pieces of videos. All right? Now, before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. All right? Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Like a bass drum, you know, watch out, me bumbo clad. Watch out, pussy clad. Yo.
Seriousskilla fuck.
But you could have mash up. Go help me, master. Hey, this man at help, man. Coming out, you know, you're going to pass my
Pull him up, man. He not come down yet.
Walk on the side of that, just walk on the side of the same way you go over, man.
Come on, go over.
Viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, it seems as if this very large pipe is something that other persons walk on to cross that gully, as all Jamaicans would call it. You see me? Yeah, viewers and subscribers, and I really look, it's dangerous. It's highly dangerous. You understand? I wouldn't advise anyone to do something like that. It's really dangerous. You see? The person could have broken his leg. You understand? The person could have broke his leg. No joke about it. It's dangerous. Alright? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you another video right about now, and according to what had been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows a road that split open within the parish that is known as St. Mary, that is within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now, many places on social media, it is said that a road in St. Mary collapsed. You see me? But you know, I'm just telling you according to what had been said on social media about this piece of video. You see me? Yeah, you can let me know if you think the road collapsed or if the road just split open. You see me? In my point of view, I think the road split open and sink at the same time. You see me? At least piece of the road sink after it split open. That's how I look at it. But anyways, let me know what you think. Alright? And alright, so as I'm about to present this piece of video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the piece of video. Take a look, listen and observe.
You would a drop star.
Hey! go. It's so long for serious.
Serious top of 100.
No man, for serious. Go right back, back. Put in everything.
Ay, madali lang naman kaya. Isuot sa ara.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted, let you know what's going on. And viewers and subscribers, I want you to please bear in mind again that I only told you according to what had been said on social media about these videos. And you know, the things that have been said on social media about these videos, to my knowledge, might not be accurate and might not be the truth. But you know, I'm just telling you like it is, and you can also let me know what you think about these videos, and you can let me know if you think it is true or not according to what had been said on social media about these pieces of videos. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla.